I had converted this product image to video, and as you can see, all the informations are very in detailed, and even you can see the fluid inside of the bottle is moving. And nobody can say that like this video has been generated by AI, because for the rich textures and also the luxurious styles and even the human interactions with the product, it's super cool. And I did this completely for free by using actually this workflow. So as you can see that like at the first I choose a product image. So in that case I just choose a random image as like a perfume bottle. I just downloaded it from Google. It could be different in your case. It can be a jewelry, a Xbox, anything it can be. Then I uploaded that product image to ChatGPT, and then I give it a prompt for that image. Then I just get 3 AI generated images, and then I uploaded those 3 AI generated images to Google AI Studio, and for each images I got 8-second videos, and then I uploaded those 8-second videos to CapCut. Then I combined those 8-second videos and do some basic edits. Then I just got a 24-second video. So after watching this video, you can actually do the same thing, and you can actually just make better videos than me, I believe. So the first you have to come to ChatGPT, and in here we actually firstly set up the environment, and I'm just giving a prompt like this one, which is actually I said that like I'm giving a product image of product type, and in here you have to just give the name of the product type. In our case we actually just using a perfume bottle, so I'm just going with kind of like perfume, that's it, of a perfume. For that you have to generate 3 luxurious cinematic 9:16 scene featuring the product. Use dramatic lighting, elegant background and rich textures. No human faces. So you can say like, come on, no, why no human faces? So the main problem is like when you actually just use the next step, which is the Google AI Studio. Right now Google AI Studio don't work with human faces. For that reason our images have to be without any human faces. And then I said like product should look premium and eye-catching. Okay, then actually just kind of like warming up this situation, and it will just say okay, kind of like this. I'll just go ahead and upload the image right now. So then you have to just upload the image. So in your case your image will be different if you are using different product. So as I said, I'm just using this product, like I just randomly downloaded it from Google, and as you can see it's uploaded. So I just go and send. I didn't just say anything. Then as you can see it stayed getting started. I mean it's actually starting to work with like the first image. And by the way, like I'm using the ChatGPT, the free version. As you can see it says like upgrade to pro plan, and it will obviously take some minutes, kind of like 1 to 2 minutes. Even in some cases it just take 5 minutes for one image. So we have to just wait a little bit for that. So as you can see our first image has been generated successfully. Like you can see that like how good looking it is, and you can see that all the informations are very detailed and it doesn't miss any kind of informations. Even it just showing also the mirror texture, which is super cool. So let me just go with like the second one. I'll just say that like generate the second one, that's it. So as you can see our next image has been also generated successfully, and that's also looking super cool. And right now we're actually just going with the third one. I'll say again generate the third one. After some minute our third image has been generated successfully, which is looking super cool. And right now our 3 images has been generated successfully. I guess I can't go more than that, so I have to just download these 3 images in a specific folder. So right now our image generation has been done successfully, which is the first step. So right now we have to just go in the next step, which is generating videos for 3 images. So to do that I'm using, as I said, Google AI Studio. I'm just going with this. So yeah, that's the thing. If you don't know about Google AI Studio, that's like a AI testing platforms for the developers by Google, kind of this thing. And by the way, that's free, you can actually use that. So in our case we are not just going with the chat, but rather we're just going with kind of like the generic media. So if you're not didn't use that already, you have to just go with kind of the sign up. Actually just connecting this with your Google account, that's it. And that's safe also because actually it's from Google. Then you have to just go with kind of like the VO. Actually the VO2, if you are familiar with kind of the VO3, that's very famous right now, everyone just making videos with that. but in some cases View 3 is restricted, but View 2 it's available in all the countries, I believe. So that I'm actually using View 2, and in our case only View 2 is available. And then you can actually just change the number of results, how many videos you want for every prompt. So I'm just going with like 1, because like I don't want to just lose the credentials. In Google AI Studio, if you want to just make videos from text or just from images, you can actually just get kind of like 5-8 second videos in every day. So in our case we actually just need 3 videos, so we actually just get kind of like 2 extra videos options. We actually use that if we actually don't get kind of expected videos, kind of this thing. So then we have to just choose the aspect ratio. I'm just going with 9:16 because my images are in 9:16 format ratio. Then the video duration, you can actually choose like how the duration will be, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, or 7 seconds. So I'm just going with the maximum, which is right now 8 seconds available. Okay, and also you can check to change the frame rate, resolution, but right now those are not available, like when I'm just making the video and they're saying like coming soon. Okay, then in here actually I have to just kind of like describe the video. So in here actually at the first I'll just give the image. The image is, I'm just going to like upload image, and from here I'm just choosing the first generated image, which is this one. And then in here I'll just give a prompt. Actually I just made the prompt already. Cinematic video of this product with smooth camera moves, dramatic lighting, elegant background, show close-ups, and also show rotations and luxury textures. It's kind of like a default prompt. I can use this same prompt for different products. By the way, I had given all the things, even the workflow, and also all the prompts I'm using in the description, so you can actually go and check out that. I had uploaded those things on my Gumroad account. Then I just go with kind of like run control. Okay, so it will just take some seconds. In some cases it just takes 40 seconds or just kind of like 60 seconds maximum, and then it will give you kind of like the video. So it's showing that it's generated successfully. So let me see that right now how it really did that. Yeah, that's what I'm just talking about. So I'll just delete the first one, but before that I'll just go and download that. Let me just go with the second image. So I'll just delete that. I'm just going the same prompt, and then I'll just go with upload image, and that's the second image. Then I'll just kind of like add kind of human hands. I just say that add a human hand. Just to change the style, I just said like add a human hand using this perfume, kind of like this thing. Okay, so let me just go and try with this. As you can see, it started generating. So second video has been generated successfully. So let me see how AI really made that. So as you can see, a human are just actually just kind of like seeing the product. Okay, that's amazing, that's amazing. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and download that thing. Okay, so our next video was super cool though. And then I'm just going with the last one. I'll just go with the last one image. Okay, that's the image. And actually just deleting this part, which is kind of like add a human hand using this perfume. So let me just go with this. So as you can see, our third video has been generated successfully. So let me see how it really looks like. So as you can see, the close-up and even the perfume inside of the glass is also moving, which is absolutely in detailed and fantastic. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just going and download that in my folder. That's it, sir. So right now I generated 3 videos already, which is like kind of like 8-second videos. So we have to use a video editing software or video editing tool. In our case, I'm just using the CapCut. You can actually use that for free, I hope. So then actually I will just combine those 8-second videos and make a kind of like a 24-second or just 20-second video if I just cut any part in from there. So I'm just going to CapCut, and in here I'm using the CapCut online version, the cloud version. So like anyone can use that. So in your case you can use different software, it's up to you. So I'm just going with this one, which is free online video editor. Okay, the first I'm just going to try online, and after that I will just came here, and from here I'm just going to like create new, because I have to just edit a video, and from here I'm just going to 9:16 ratio video. From here I'll just go with kind of like click to upload. So let me upload those videos one by one. So at the first I'm just going with this one. So in the same way I had uploaded the next 2 videos. So as you can see, here are 3 videos, which is kind of like 8 seconds each. And from here I have to just choose this which one I have to just take it the first. So you can actually just kind of like select one, and you can, if you want to just like that at the first, you can actually do that. But I'm just going with this one at the first, and this one as the second, and this one at the last. Okay, so also you can add kind of like captions you need, or kind of any kind of text or any kind of background thing. You can actually just go and just add from here. So in my case, I'm not just adding anything, so let me just go and export that. So what I'll just do is kind of like go in the export section, and then I'll just go in the download. But before that, I have to just check everything. Is the resolution is the maximum or not? In your case, 1080 pixel, and then the frame rate have to be 16 fps, make sure that. And then also the format, make sure that it's super important, it have to be mp4. Then just give a name, I'm just going like perfume ads. Okay, then I'll just go with kind of export. So let me see for the last time that how it really looks like. And that's the way you can convert your simple product image to a exclusive 24-second video like this one, which you can actually upload that as like a reel, or just use that as like advertisement, and that will obviously increase your sales. And you can use this same method, which is kind of like the 3 basic steps, and you can actually just go with kind of like different products and all the things. You're actually doing this for free without any kind of costing. So guys, I hope like this video helped you. If you're new in this channel, make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this one. Inshallah, you'll find more values in the future, especially on AI stuffs, AI tools, AI strategies. And also feel free to share your thoughts on the comment box, especially about this video. So let me know that like how you literally feel about that video. That's it guys, peace out.